Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. As I promised, this video I'm going to do the initial setup on the LG G8 ThinQ, and then also on the second part of the video, I'm going to give you my first impressions after using it for a couple hours. In this first part, I want to set up the hand ID and also see how easy it is. Is it a gimmick? Also test out the 3D face unlock that LG has now on this phone, and also set up the fingerprint scanner. But let's get into this video. So the first thing you want to do when you get the phone, bam, it says welcome. Now on this screen you can actually turn off the notch if you wanted to on LG apps. I'm gonna leave it on, notch for the win. I'm actually going to skip the SIM card. Let me put my Wi-Fi information in here really quick. Okay, so I got to the part where you want to set up your fingerprint scanner. Let's do this on camera. Let's see how easy it is. I'm gonna do pattern. I'm gonna go next. Upside down G for the win. Alright, it says place your finger on a fingerprint sensor, then lift your finger. Okay. That's pretty easy. That was actually pretty quick. Let's see if I can add the same finger again. So I was able to add the same finger twice, which is always a good thing. Now it wants me to talk to Google. Just go through all these steps really quick. Now I wasn't able to set up the finger ID yet. Maybe I can do that after, but we will get to that part. I want to see how it is. The hand ID, I mean. Look at that screen. First thing I want to do is turn down the notifications. Look at that screen. Don't it look beautiful? The P-OLED display. But I'm going to go into settings really quick. I'm swiping up. First thing I want to do is go to list view. I bet it's under security. There you go. Hand ID. It says unlock your phone with your hand. Hand ID is a secondary screen lock that results in your phone being less secured. Okay, LG. So I'm going to do my pattern. Right now it says position your hand 6 to 8 inches away. Your palm should be facing the front camera. After your hand is recognized, slowly lower it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start it. I don't know if I can get this on camera or not. Let's see if I can. So it can recognize it. Now it's telling me to lower it slowly. Slowly. Bam. Now it says you successfully scan your hand. For best results, scan your hand again in a different way. By holding the phone or having the phone on a table or a holder. So let's try the holder again. Alright, so I have it on the stand. Let's try this and see if it works. Shout out to the G7. So scan it in. Now it says you can unlock your phone with hand ID. Make sure your hand is about 4 inches away when using hand ID. I'm gonna hit OK. Also it says cover to wake your hand ID. I'm gonna do that because I want to wake up the phone. But I'm not going to swipe unlock it. I don't want to have to do the extra step. But let's see if this thing works. So I'm gonna place it down. Put my hand over it. Just trying to read it. That was a fail. There you go. It unlocked it that time. Alright, so let's try it again. Let's see. Did we get another fail? It unlocked it that time. I don't know if y'all seen it. One more time. Let's see. It's not the easiest thing to get. Go to the left. Look, it failed again. Alright, so let's try this one more time. It failed again. Alright, so I tried a couple times. It unlocked once or twice, but I had a lot of misses. So let's move on to face unlock. Let's see how that actually works out really quick. Let's see. I'm gonna go to settings again. Lock screen. Now, hopefully we have better luck with the face unlock. Okay, it says hold your phone so you're at eye level with the front camera. Move your head in a circle to scan all the angles of your face. So let's try this. I'm gonna try to do this on camera. Shout out to the G7 again. It says I'm able to unlock the phone using my face. Let's see if this works better than the hand ID. Bam, that actually did, look. That's pretty fast. The fingerprint scanner is pretty fast. If I use the right finger that I set up. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna be using the hand ID too much, but the face unlock is great. Bam, look at that. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video now and actually go use the phone for a little bit, put my SIM card in it. I wanna test out the call quality on this phone because of the crystal sound coming from the OLED display. Also, I just wanna make phone calls on it, maybe go test out the cameras. I'll come back with that part of the video really quick. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so I'm back. I've been using the LG G8 ThinQ for a few hours now, and I just wanna give you my first impressions about it, and also tell you what I like and dislike about the phone so far. So let's get into this video because I don't want to make this part too much longer. But look at that display. The 6.1-inch P-OLED display looks beautiful. You can see it during the daylight. I have no problems with that display. Kudos for LG, including the P-OLED display in their G series of phones. Also, to touch about the display, that crystal sound that comes from the display is really good. I'm gonna do a speaker test. I'm gonna let y'all hear that coming up. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna put it against the Galaxy S10 Plus. I was really shocked on how good I could hear somebody when I made a phone call. I called my daughter. I had no problem hearing her. It actually sounded great, and I was just amazed by the sound that was coming from that P-OLED display. That is actually pretty cool. Not a lot of people are doing it, and they're not doing it this good as far as what I could tell. My daughter did say that I sound perfect. On speakerphone, it worked good too. It was loud and crisp. I had no problems using the phone as a phone for the last few hours. So again, shout out to LG for doing it right. As far as the cameras go, I have to do more tests on it, but they have made some improvements to it. You can actually shoot portrait mode in videos now, which is actually pretty cool. Also, it has a dedicated night view or night sight like other manufacturers, so I'm gonna have to test that out to see actually how good that is. Overall, my experience with the phone, it has been running pretty smooth for me. I haven't had any type of hiccups, no slowdowns, no type of stutters. The one thing I don't like is how if I want to get to the app drawer, I don't know, it's a weird animation, kind of hesitation there, but besides that, everything runs smooth. The 855 processor, look at it, bam. That's just fast. I don't care what anybody says about it. The phone runs smooth. Now, I still have to test it out, play some games on it. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have a gaming review coming up also. I want to definitely put it to the test. Now, let's check the storage too, because people like to see that for whatever reason. Now, the storage, I am at 28%. Now, the system is using 22 gigs of the 128. That is a lot of gigs for the system. I don't know what's in there, but yeah, you can see it 22 gigs for just the system. But hey, it is what it is. All right, so the other part of the video, I did go ahead and show you the hand ID and the face ID. After that video was shot, I actually went ahead and redid the hand ID to see if I could make it a little bit better. It does seem like it works a little bit better. The hand gestures on here where you can turn the volume up or launch like a different app, it works, but again, it's like a gimmick to me. I don't know if it's before its time. I don't know if LG can send updates to fix it. At least they're trying. Let me see if I can set this up. I'll show y'all the difference in the hand ID. It's not 100%, I'm not gonna lie. It's probably worse than the Galaxy S10 fingerprint scanner, but it's there. They're trying something different, but let's get into it. Let's go ahead and see if I can do this and still get a good angle for y'all. All right, so I'm gonna turn off the phone. Let me see if I can do this on the camera or not. It is a little bit harder to do on the camera. Bam. That actually worked pretty good. Let's try it one more time. Alright, so here we go. Bam! That's actually 2 times in a row. That actually worked pretty good. Okay, the next thing I want to show y'all is the hand gestures on here. You can actually open different apps. Is it a gimmick? Yes, it is, because you can press the app quicker than you can actually open this. But at least LG is trying, so let's get into it. So you have your phone unlocked as it is now. All you want to do is place your hand over it. You see the little lights up there, and then you just make a claw. Swipe over to the right, bam, YouTube actually pops up. Let me go into one of my videos really quick. Okay, so if you want to hit play, all you need to do is put your hand over it, do the claw, swipe over to the right, plays the video. If I want to increase the sound, you just turn to the right. If you want to decrease the sound, you can decrease it. If you want to pause it, same thing. Oh. Bam, it pauses the video. So, yes, the hand gestures are a little gimmicky. Could it be a little bit better? Better response? Yes, it could be. Again, LG is trying something different. Not the same old boring stuff that we've been getting from all these other manufacturers. Before I wrap this video up, I want to talk about the DAC in here. The DAC is amazing. LG is known for great sounds from the DAC system. This phone sounds amazing with headphones on there. So stay tuned to the channel. I will have a lot more videos coming out on the LG G8 ThinQ. Like I said in my unboxing video, is there any videos y'all want to see on this phone? Let me know in the comments. I will try to make them. You know I'm gonna do a gaming review, speaker test, camera battles. But y'all let me know what other videos you want to see in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the LG G8 ThinQ. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.